Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it would be Google Chrome, but basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers, so you will be able to recreate the steps in your browser. So as I said, let's open the browser and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is too long to do that manually, I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data, because this is kind of automatic option. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, 4 weeks or all time. It's up to you, of course. If you're ready, tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.